Hey food lovers, welcome back to Savizz Hot Kitchen, where we served up mouth-watering recipes, tutorials, hot tips, and flavors straight from the heart of the kitchen. Today's video is a little bit different. I am excited to finally talk about something special we have been working on. Yes, you got it right. Savizz Hot Kitchen channel membership. If you've ever enjoyed our recipes, learn something new in our community, then this is your chance. Yes, this is your chance to become even a bigger part of this. By joining our membership, you are not only supporting our channel, you are unlocking exclusive perks. Perks such as behind the scene kitchen tours, extended recipe tutorials, and access to early episode. Plus, you will be supporting the creation of more delicious contents and helping the boss to bring the best culinary experience to your screen. As a member, you will also get special badges, emojis, and access to members only live streams. Also, question and answer sessions are thrown into the bag. Join the Hot Kitchen today. Join our membership today. And let's cook up something amazing together. Sign up now and be a part of the hottest kitchen community online. Savizz Hot Kitchen, where flavor meets fire. Click on the $ when we are live. Or better yet, click on the join button on your phone. Thank you very much. Can't wait to see you in our community.